In this video, we will show you the best human hair wigs that our experts suggest. On this channel, we give a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now. And click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Shout out to Jumayo Shop Collections and Monica Eve. We appreciate your support. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best human hair wigs. Number 1, Pizazz Black Wave Lace Front Wig. Are you looking for pure black human wigs? Pizazz is a remarkable brand which has been manufacturing human hair wigs for a long time. Pizazz is also a name of trust to the people who love to use wigs. Always try to buy wigs from good brands. Do you love to dye and bleach your hair? If yes, then the great thing is you can dye and bleach on these wigs. It is going to be an extra advantage of this wig. This is made with premium quality material, so you can wear it for a long time without any irritation. Air can adequately pass through your scalp, which will help to keep your scalp healthy. Are you tense about the size? It is medium in size and has an adjustable system. You will get 4 combs, including with the wigs. The wigs are very easy to wear and adjust. You can also remove it quickly. The pros are, it is easily adjustable. It is also easy to wear, not so difficult to remove, lasts for long, and no allergic problem. The cons are only suitable for curly hair lovers. Why do we recommend it? Different people have different choices. We mainly recommend it for its longevity, awesome color, and especially for the amazing adjust feature. Number 2, Jessica Hair Curly Short Bob Wigs. Jessica's Hair is another highly premium brand for you. They manufacture different types of hair beauty products, including wigs. Among lots of wigs, we selected this short bob wig for you, which performs well and lasts for a long time. Do you like or have bob style hair? If yes, then definitely this one is for you. Its size is short and gives you the natural feel of curly bob hair. Human hair is used as a material that is easy to wash. This Brazilian Remy human hair wig is 100% premium in quality and looks natural. The size is 13 by 6 inches, which are easily adjustable on your head. Are you tense about softness and smoothness? No worries. This is super soft, natural, and highly smooth. The pros are, it is easily washable. It's smooth and soft. It lasts for long. It is also easily adjustable. No chemical processing. However, the cons are, it's not suitable for those who love to have long hair. Why do we recommend it? It has premium quality natural Brazilian Remy hair. No chemical products are used while processing. That's why they last for so long. You can buy it for long-term use. Like this one? Click the link in the description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 3, Hermosa Straight Human Hair Wigs. Do you think straight hair suits you? If yes, you are in the right place now because we are here to present you with gorgeous straight human hair wigs. This is a chemical-free, unprocessed Brazilian human hair-made wig, which is one of the best quality products in the market. It has 13 by 4 inch lace on the top. The whole wig is highly breathable and comfortable. Air can properly blow into it, which is good for scalp health. Weight is meager and height is perfect. It is very much durable and reusable. The pros are, it is reusable. It is also breathable. It has less weight, no tangle, and no sheds. The cons are, the price is a little bit high. Why do we recommend it? If you want a pure black, natural colored straight wig, it is the right choice. On the other hand, It is unprocessed with any chemicals. Number 4, Fuduete Tea, part lace, pre-plucked wigs. Are you an adult and looking for adult human hair natural black curly wigs? Fuduete brand exclusively made this pre-plucked wig, which is soft and smooth. The hair used here is pure Brazilian virgin human hair that looks so silky. The cap is highly breathable and easily adjustable. You do not have to worry about the health of your scalp, even if you wear it for a long time. It's comfortable and suitable for anyone because the adjustment system is sound. The pros are, it is made with unprocessed hair, no chemical used. It is soft and bouncy. It's breathable and washable. The cons are, it's not for teenagers. Why do we recommend it? As it is highly breathable, so there will be no health or allergic issue. You can also wash it easily without any damage. Number 5, HaoSheng Body Wave Human Hair High Density Wigs. Do you like large body wave style wigs? This high density wig has a gorgeous body wave shape with a silky look, as it is made from virgin human hair, so it looks fantastic. It is unprocessed. That means no chemical is used at processing time. Are you tense about tangling? It is normal to get tensed about tangles for this wig because it is large and the density is higher than any other wig. Don't worry, it is tangle-free. Transparent lace is used for hair that is not easily visible. The wig cap size is 22.5 medium, which is easily adjustable. The density of hair is high, which is about 150%. The pros are, it is made with high density hair. It has an adjustable medium size cap. It's chemical-free. It is also tangle-free, and it is made from virgin human hair. The cons are, as the density is high, so the weight is a little bit high. Why do we recommend it? Quality is the first priority. Premium quality high-density hair with adjustable features makes this product more beautiful. On the other hand, there is a natural beauty in this wavy hair wig. We chose 5 human hair wigs for you. All are good, but different people have different choices. Among these 5 hair wigs, we highly recommend the best overall Pizazz Black Wave Lace Front Wig, which is our top-rated product. And then we suggest the runner-up Jessica Hair Curly Short Bob Wigs. You can buy any of them without hesitation. So don't be late. Order your one just now. Buying guide: what to look for in human hair wigs before buying. 1. Material. So the first thing is material. If you want to buy human hair wigs, look carefully at the hair quality. Many brands sell synthetic wigs which look similar to human hair, so always try to have a closer look to determine the quality. 2. Color. We are confident about your choice because different people like different colored hair. Always try to choose the color which suits you. 3. Cap size. Cap size is one of the most important things. You can take an expert suggestion directly about your cap size. Always try to buy exact match cap size. Otherwise, you will not feel comfortable. Large and small cap sizes will irritate you if they do not match your cap size. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section, and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.